Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build a business directory website with Listing Pro theme, and this is the demo website how it looks like. If you find any service, for example let me find electric and then choose your city. If I do not choose the city and press search, then it will find all these listings according to the keyword and show it on a search page along with the Google map, and you can easily look for their locations. So here are the listings according to the keyword which we searched, and we did not select any city. You can also choose the city in which you want to look for electricians or electric services. So this is the list, and you can see the map by the side of these listings, so you can find their location easily. Okay, for this you will need a Listing Pro theme. If you already bought the theme and you want to install it, so please go ahead with the video. But if you still do not have the Listing Pro theme and you want to buy it, then please go ahead and click the link in the description, so you can buy it from Theme Forest, and you can also watch the demo website link in our description. Okay, for this I already have the theme zip file along with the documentation, the license, the live demo contents, etc. So first of all we will install this Listing Pro on a blank WordPress installation, and here I have the WordPress installed with 2019 theme activated and running. So it's a fresh WordPress installation. Come to your admin dashboard and click on appearance and then theme. Click on add new. Now click on upload themes, and you can choose the file here, or you can just drag your zip folder, which is this one, to this choose file button and click on install now. Okay, after installation click on activate. After activating the theme, it will redirect you to this self installation wizard, and you can where all the plugins and demo data will be automatically installed. So click on start. Now there are two options. You can either install WP Bakery, the drag and drop builder, or you can install it with Elementor page builder. So I'll go with WP Bakery, but you can also choose Elementor, so all the pages will be built with Elementor. So I'm going with WP Bakery because it's already pre programmed or pre-packaged in this theme. Click on next. Now it will need the JS Composer, which is the WP Bakery builder, the Listing Pro ads, the Listing Pro plugin, Listing Pro reviews, next and social media, and Redux framework. The Redux framework is the thing that you can change all the options, all the colors, or logo settings, header, footer, etc. from the Redux framework options. I'll show you after install it. Click on yes, I'm ready. It will now install all these things one by one, and it will show you the status. One plugin installed. Okay, while the theme is installing, let me tell you something, that after building this website you can add bulk listings from Yellow Pages, Yelp, TripAdvisor, or Black Listings or blackdirectory.com. If you do not have enough traffic that users can put the listings on your website, then you can bulk import from the other websites and put it into your website. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. In future I'll add a video about how to add listings from Yellow Pages or TripAdvisor or Yelp or blackdirectory.com and import them from those websites into your Listing Pro theme. So after watching this video, you can also watch those videos to add listing from the other websites. It will also save a lot of time if you manually put listings into your business directory instead of importing them. So if you import them directly from their website, then it will save you a lot of time. Plugins are installing one by one. You also need a good web hosting, so your website speed will be affected if you choose lower speed hosting. So to buy a good web hosting for business directory, you can follow the link in our description, so you can buy our the hosting from our affiliated site. We are affiliated with Bluehost, so you can buy them. It will be appreciated if you go through our link and buy the hosting from them. Okay, the next in social login register is not installed and it's failed, so we can install it later. I'll show you in the process. So please watch this video till end so you understand how you can set up all these. Otherwise, all other plugins are installed successfully and we are heading to the next step. Now choose the layout. They have pre-built layouts for Places Pro, Restaurant Pro and Classic. We will go with the Classic view. Click on accept. Now the last but not the least step is importing the contents. You can click on import content and it will start downloading all the dummy contents which are easy for the jump start. So you can edit your pages, your listings, and it will be enough guidance for you to make the future addition to your website. Also, again, let me mention this that you can easily add bulk listings from Yellow Pages, Yelp, TripAdvisor or blackdirectory.com, but you must watch our next video in this series, so you can understand how you can import all the listings in bulk into your website using this Listing Pro theme and an extra plugin which is mentioned in our next video. Okay, contents, menus, homepage, theme options are imported. Now it will automatically be redirected to your WordPress dashboard after successfully adding these things. Now it will automatically redirect you to the license page where you can put your license key you got from the Theme Forest or the Inveto marketplace, and you can put it here and click on this, wherever your site is live or it's a test site. So you can add this and activate your website with this theme. Okay, now let's open your front end and let's see how your website looks like after adding all these things. So here is the ready website. It's home page and all other pages are installed, but one thing is worth mentioning, that Next10 social media login and register plugin was not installed successfully and it was failed. So you can always come to appearance and click on install plugins, where your remaining plugins which were not installed, you can easily install them from this page and click on activate if it's installed. But if it's not, then you can go to your plugins section, delete this plugin and then reactivate them. Okay, return to required plugin installation. Okay, it requires the latest PHP version, which I do not have it, but if you are installing this on your live server, then it will be automatically installed and is updated. Okay, Now this is the demo site, and how you can edit this page. You can just click on edit page if you are logged in as an administrator. After opening the edit page, you can come to classic mode or front end editor, but by default it's open in the WP Bakery editor, where you can change the contents of the page easily by clicking each of this section. So for example, we are changing the slider or the below slider section. On the edit page, you can easily edit any column you want. For example, this LP listing post, click on edit, and when it's opened, the editor will show you how you want to show the layout, the grid view or listing view, style, post per page. And if you save changes, then this on the home page, this will be affected. And scroll down to the post section. These posts are shown by this this feature. So if you come to the LP testimonial video, click on edit, then you can see the video testimonial is here. You can change the title, the testimonial text, the author, the designation or position, the user avatar, and the video background, also the video link. When you click on this, a video will be appeared. So this is the video background, this is the video link, which video will be played, this is the title, this is author name, author company or designation, and this is the author avatar, and this is the testimonial main text. So if you save the changes, the changes will be affected here. And this is finally the blog section on the home page. If you come to the LP blog grids, click on edit, you can choose the layout, which is blog grid, blog masonry or blog circle, the category from which the posts are shown here are all categories, or you can choose any one of these categories, and number of posts will be 3. So you can change all these settings by clicking edit on each section. Okay, now if you come to the home page and click on add listing, then users can add their own listings or places to your website using this form. Currently, if you install this by default with import all contents, then you will have these 3 packages: the free, the basic, and the 31, the premium, which have different features. You can edit these things also. If a user go with the free version, you can also make all these free, but if a user go with the free version and click on continue, then he will be redirected to the form where he can choose the title of his business, the tags, city of his working area, phone number, the full address with geolocation, the website, the hours, the working hours, and category, also the price range. If someone provided a paid services, then they can also mention the prices. Also some details about his listing, some frequently asked questions and answers, and some social media links, the tags or keywords, also the featured image or a video which will show how his listing works or what is his business all about. So also user can upload their business logo. So user can add easily their listing to your website. It's a full package. And also please watch our next video, how to add bulk listing from TripAdvisor or Yelp or blackdirectory.com or Yellow Pages. So please subscribe to our channel and watch the complete this complete listing, this complete playlist, so you can easily add listings to your website. And if you do not have the Listing Pro, then it will be appreciated if you go through our affiliate link in our description. So we get a little commission from them. And that was all for today's video. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.